Kaya, in our way back home guys, I'm dropping by into a Korean store. Lapit lang po ito sa aming bahay. But you can also buy online, pero gusto kong makikita talaga at mag-choose kung ano ang aking gustong bibilhin kasi maraming ditong choices. Hi guys! I'm back! Ito ang mga ingredients natin gagamitin sa ating tteokbokki recipe ngayon guys. Instant na po siya ito kasi ang sauce ay mabibili na po siya. Cups of water po ang aking ilalagay na tubig. Palalambutin muna natin ito bago natin lagyan ng sauce. Pag ganito ng texture ng iyong rice cake, tsaka mo ilalagay yung sauce. Yung 1 pack na tteokbokki sauce ay ipo-pour nyo lahat. Ang recipe na po ito guys ay madali lang po lulutuin. Satisfies your craving guys, especially when you're watching Korean movie series. Yung mga cast kumakain ng tteokbokki, imagine po kayo kung anong lasa kaya. Kasi madalas po ito nangyari sa akin eh. If you're in a hurry, you can buy the ingredients online guys, it's available already. Mix the sauce evenly para mas lalong sumasarap siya. And then, add the cabbage and the spring onions. At kung nagtitipid kayo katulad ko, you can omit some of the ingredients guys. Pero, wag lang itong mga veggies kasi this can add more flavor into your tteokbokki. You can also add fish cake. Pero, ayaw ng daughter ko na mag-add ng fish cake kaya I use simple ingredients only. Same time, you can also save money. Ito po guys, 90 pesos na po siya sa Korean restaurant. Medyo may kamahalan kasi nagbabayad sila ng renta. If you know how to cook, you can save money. At pwede pang kumakain ang mga family members ninyo. Malapit na po akong matatapos dito guys. I'm excited now to eat guys. Ano kayang lasa ng aking niluluto? Mukha namang masarap. And then, as toppings, you can also add grated cheese para mas lalong sumasarap yung tteokbokki natin. At saka naman, huwag kalimutan maglalagay ng sesame seeds. This is very important also. Now, I'm done guys. Ito na po siya. Sarap-sarap.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.